Housing Minister Marcuise Marak stated that according to his report, the roofing sheets supplied by a private firm meet specifications. Last month, the Housing Department initiated a departmental inquiry following a complaint by the Henutrep Youth Council (HYC) alleging that poor quality aluminium roofing sheets had been supplied to various CNRD blocks across the state. Marak mentioned that the department has now opted for superior aluminium roofing sheets based on the recommendations of the technical officer.
I've got the feedback from the people also is very good. It's lasting more also. Therefore, we have procured this one. Since some NGOs have complained, especially HYC, immediately when I got the complaint letter, I immediately ordered for the inquiry. Departmental inquiry is already underway, and then they have gone to the Lok Ayukta also, and Lok Ayukta is also inquiring the matter. But hopefully things will come as per the thing. So far, I'm getting the reports from the department. Things are okay.